My name is Michelle Solimeo. I'm the Nursing Professional Development Manager and also the Patient Care Technician Residency Manager for ChristianaCare. ChristianaCare is the largest healthcare system in Northern Delaware. My goal as the program manager is to find talent and recruit talent that is passionate about serving others. We needed new talent in our healthcare system, and we looked to Dawn Career Institute to help partner with us to train brand new to healthcare workers. And then we partnered in alignment to provide that scholarship money to send these new to healthcare workers to Dawn Career Institute. And then we hire those folks at ChristianaCare. Dawn really creates a wonderful sense of family among the group that we curate and send to you, and they stay friends for even when the program is done 10 weeks later. They have really created this other additional family among the ChristianaCare family, and the level of dedication to their new craft is evident. They really strive for A+ care. They emphasize the importance of the relationship with the patient, which is a huge importance to ChristianaCare, is creating that bedside rapport. So it's really rewarding to be able to see what the partnership with Dawn provides for these people in that way of this great foundational education, and then for us to be able to foster this new start and this fresh career for these folks that we're hiring, these caregivers.